Chairman Sampson doing an update on activities that have been going on the Pyramid Lake Indian Reservation. During our last meeting, the Tribal Health Clinic came to us with recommendations of a proclamation for moving forward with COVID on the Pyramid Lake Indian Reservation. One of them was for the Tribal Council to approve the recommendations to mandate all to wear masks out in public for everyone. Again, even though we are seeing many are recovering, we still need to continue following all safety guidelines to keep our 3 communities healthy and safe. So again, we are urging everybody through this proclamation to mask up when you go out. The second one was all who travel out of state will self-isolate for a minimum of 14 days upon returning to Pyramid Lake. This will ensure the people coming in from out of state are taking the time to isolate before returning to work or any activities. Number 3, patients will self-isolate for 14 days once tested positive for COVID-19. Again, these are safety protocols for all of our tribal members on the Pyramid Lake Indian Reservation in our 3 communities. It's important that we follow this mandate as it comes out. If you don't have masks, reach out to the tribal secretary or go down to the EMS down there by the old state yard, and they will give you the masks if you need them. So just follow up with one of the departments and we can get those available to you. I'm going to do an update from the clinic on the cases of COVID on the reservation. At this time, we have 11 that are self-quarantined at home. We have 0 in the hospital, and we have 16 that have fully recovered. And then we have the 1 death. And again, our hearts go out to the family. There has been a question that has been posed out there concerning what is a recovery. And the clinic defines it as a person who has had 2 tests done over a 24-hour period, resulting in both tests being negative. So again, if you're testing negative in both tests, that means that you are clear and you have fully recovered. Along that, as you recovered, the Housing Authority did state that when they were here, the director, she said that if you need cleaning of your house or help to clean your house, those services are available through the Housing Authority. Along with that, we do have food services if you need food in your quarantine for those 14 days because you tested positive. There are those programs out there that do have the food that can help get food to you. Okay, so reach out to us when you need it, and we'll send those messages down the line to help you with this time for recovery. There has been another question of camping by the lake. In the very beginning, as chairman of the Pyramid Lake Paiute Tribe, and through the declaration of the state of emergency, and through the tribal council, their action of closing all recreational usage on the Pyramid Lake Indian Reservation, and along with that, the implementation of a curfew within the boundaries of the Pyramid Lake Indian Reservation. These laws are still currently standing, and those restrictions won't be lifted until they deem necessary to lift them. This includes camping. The discussion is all are to shelter in place by staying home. This does not include camping by the lake, and I'm referring to tribal members. Camping overnight on the beaches of the Pyramid Lake for all tribal members is suspended at this time. Again, this is for the health and safety of our people. So those that are not following the curfew of staying home will be fined in accordance to the curfew law. Again, this is to protect our tribal membership, and this is only pertaining to camping. So all camping on the lake shores by tribal members is suspended at this time. There's other thing that's coming along down the line too, is we're going to be doing a town hall meeting Hopefully we'll be able to do this over at the Pyramid Lake High School. And what we're requesting is when we make that announcement that if you want to ask any questions, that you will have to put them down in writing and send them to the tribal secretary, and those questions will be read at that open hall meeting, and the tribal council will be able to answer your questions at that time. Again, this is something that's going to be set up to help give more information out to our communities. That's the end of my update, so I want to thank you all for your time, and God bless you all.